Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of the Real Nesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it.
Welcome back, everybody. I'm Crystal Realnester, and this is the JET3 and today we are unboxing and setting up the SogoBox shoebox.
You play it so good.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen. So it came in this beautiful package right here that is actually pretty heavy when they arrive. I got these off of Amazon for about 60 bucks, so $10 per box. And this is the box it was in. That's how it looks. And now, we shall unpackage them.
Yes, sir.
So me and the hubby both are going to do one.
Did you tell them what they're for?
Yeah, I said the name of it. SogoBox shoebox.
Oh, okay.
That's what they call it. SogoBox shoebox.
Clear shoe boxes.
Yes.
For any shoe. Will they fit boots?
Yep. But you know, you can also use these for storage containers. So these come in clear, or you can get the sides in black, and the door just be clear.
I like the clear ones better.
Yeah, I really, yeah.
That way you can see what's in there.
Right.
You ain't got to go open everything up.
We're going to open these little babies up and set them up for y'all.
I jumped ahead of you already.
We see.
I got this rush.
Y'all know we had to do a little competition in here, just a little bit. Because y'all know how the real nesters do. Y'all know we get a little rowdy. So that's the door. We're going to move that out the way. And it's actually so simple that
that's the door.
Yeah, it's so simple. You looking like, really? That's how simple it is? It really is. So this is the back.
So I see 4, 5, 6, basically 6 pieces.
Yep.
6 pieces.
And you just snap them into each other.
I'm gonna follow your lead.
Follow my lead.
I'm gonna follow your lead.
Don't follow my lead. Do your own thing. You know you got the picture directions.
I'm gonna follow your lead, little baby.
Yeah, I gotta put my muscle in it. There you go. One L shape.
I'm gonna follow your lead.
Don't follow my lead, little baby. Do your own thing, little baby.
I'm gonna see if you. I'm gonna see if you.
Wait a minute. Hold on. Did I put the front to the back right?
I'm gonna see if you know what's happening.
I don't know what's happening, little baby. Okay. Yeah, I put the front to the
back. You put the front to the back.
Yeah, I put the front to the back.
Yes, that's what you get, little baby.
The front to the back.
That's what you get, little baby. That's what you get, little baby, by putting the front to the back.
All right.
You're gonna learn today.
So we got our beautiful L shape here, and then once you get your beautiful L shape, you want to get a base, right? So the part with the screws is actually the top. So let's get that, the base right here. I think that's right. Part with the screws is actually the top.
Yep. I gotta put that on the bottom.
So y'all notice he's speeding up a little bit because he's trying to make me look bad, but it's all good.
I don't even know how this goes. How you doing? How you doing?
You notice, y'all.
Oh, that's the wrong way. Like that.
Oh, let's see. It's just a bunch of snappy-doos. You just gotta make sure it's lined up.
Which way you got?
You gotta put the booty in first.
So you got the hole facing up?
What hole? Oh, the screw? I didn't use the screw one first. I'm working on the other side. It snaps. Y'all hear that? You hear the snapping?
Oh yeah. Oh, I got paper in the way.
And then y'all gotta come over here and do the same thing.
You just gotta get these babies lined up.
Yeah. You gotta make sure it's lined up. So that's part of it. Now we gotta put this part on. And you wanna make sure
you hear that
there's some holes. You wanna make sure that face towards the front because that's the door. But
boom. Snap, snap, snap.
You wanna hear them snaps?
Yep.
Not that snap, that was the fake snap. You gotta hit a real snap. There you go.
Oh yeah.
Right?
You want to hit them snaps.
We should have took time. We should have took the time because I think it's less than 5 minutes. Okay. So everything's snapped in.
Oh yeah.
Now we have to put on This is your nice, look how nice and crystal clear this is. I can see y'all can see me through this thing. Y'all can tell the back because it's rough. And now we got to put on our boards. Alright. So, door has snappy corners too. See the little dot right there? Y'all want
to? 2 dots. Which one is the dot? Is the right dot? Oh, just the magnet. Look, the magnet go on the screws. So that's the magnet. So make sure the magnet.
I don't think I did that.
Make sure the magnet is on the screws.
Oh,
that's how the magnet is.
Good job, husband. I didn't do that the first time. I don't think I did that.
You know what time it is.
I don't know.
Look, boom. See? That's how the magnet.
Okay. Give me a second. Don't try to distract me. Y'all got Y'all, I told y'all he was trying to make the competition on the low.
See, look, there's the magnet. Hey! And look, you guys, I'm gonna show you one thing while she's still getting hers together.
You dirty, y'all.
Look, you guys, this is how it look. It has these screws right here with a magnet. So look, so that stays closed.
Look at the nice little finger pop down.
And watch this. We're gonna show you something else, you guys. Yeah. These can be set any kind of way you want. You can set them on top of each other, beside each other. They got these little pegs. Right. And what you want to do is put these pegs. Well, we're gonna put them on top of each other first. You put yours on the side.
You gonna put mine on the side?
Yeah. We're gonna show them the different way. Because I'm already, these 4 will sit on your 4. So you got these 4 little pegs I put right at the top.
You think that's really
so let's say, for instance, we want to do it like that. Now,
that keeps it from moving.
Yeah, it keeps it from sliding. So if we wanted to do it the other way, she's going to put the pegs on the side. Pop that off now, babe. Lift that up. Now, she's going to show you how, if you want to put the pegs on the side, you see it's holes, it's 2 holes here. So if you want to put them long way.
The funny part is we haven't tried this, so don't be laughing at us if it don't work.
Oh, we got it. Right there, and then right there.
Yep. Well, you might have to put your hand on the inside first.
Wait a minute, this one.
That's what I said.
No, this one went all the way, yeah. There we go. Then we just line them up. Yeah, like that. Might be that way, just like you're doing on top, but yeah.
You don't want to break it now, little baby.
There we go. I heard that one.
Yeah, I heard it snap.
This one ain't snap. This one ain't snap. There we go.
So turn it around like that first.
So are we missing 2?
No.
Okay. They just supposed to be like that.
Well, you can connect them.
So we just like the sideways is not that strong. There's only 2.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys. So it look like they're gonna work better on top of each other.
Yeah.
So that's what we would recommend. So that's one flaw. Don't look like the side will stick that well, but these do keep it from sliding. So we would recommend just stack them on top. Oh, we already got pegs in one. Yeah, so we would recommend just doing it like this. I mean, I guess you could do the pegs on the side, because if you're not gonna really move it, just do it like that. So
it just give it some security.
Yeah, this ain't too much, but it give it a little bit. But if you ain't really gonna do any movement once you set them up, it just be like that.
Oh, get those.
Yeah, go ahead, baby.
Yeah, but anyway, ladies and gentlemen, this is not just you. I mean, it's advertised as a shoebox, but what I was trying to show you when he had it like this, for everybody, you sending your kid off the toilets and the dormer. Look how that look to the side.
Yeah. So
you
that'd be the boots. That's how you get boots.
Yeah,
So
and you can see it. You know what I mean? If you want stuff in there, you can layer it up like that.
Oh, we didn't even think too. We try to, maybe it's not made to click on the side, but it gotta have 4 in it to go like that.
Yeah.
Like that. So you put the pegs in like that.
Yeah, so you can tear it.
Cause 4, yeah. So you do it like that.
You was right. You can still sit it on top, like you said. You just can't do a whole bunch of moving around with it. But you guys, I'm really super happy with this purchase. We didn't bring any shoes down. We got any boots or something? I don't think we brought no shoes down so y'all can see. Look at that. But I do think this can fit up to an ankle boot comfortable.
Yeah.
Is that the one I put on? Did I put it on upside down?
No,
that's the screw.
Something, yeah,
yeah, this is the screw.
Something like pressed down.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, there we go. See, look how much room we got. These are flip flops, Crocs, flip flops,
slides or whatever.
Slides, whatever you want to go. But look how much room is there. We
So
don't
you
really,
definitely
we don't
could.
even have a boot. But let's try this and see do they fit. So no, you see a boot don't fit in the regular way.
Don't set the boot on it.
Turn it. Yeah. No, just turn the thing around. No, you ain't gonna be. Yeah, one in, and then one in like that.
Now, but these are a size 11.
These are 11.
These are male.
So there you go.
Size 11 boots.
So yeah.
Look at that.
Male size 11 boots. So you get pretty much, unless you Shaquille O'Neal or somebody, you can pretty much get all your boots, your shoes in here.
But look how clear that is, you guys.
So with this size 11 in boots would probably be equivalent to like a lady's with long heels on it. Because it would be like with the long heel, or they'd be even longer.
So men's size 11 is a 1.
But they're thinner though. They're not as thick.
11.
They're
It's a
thin.
woman's size 9.
Okay, with heels.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, but yeah, most shoes they can fit just like that.
And that's an ankle boot. That's an ankle boot, you guys. So yeah, super stoked about this. I gotta go and build a couple of more on this video. So as always, ladies, one more thing. See these little notches? You know, that's what came with it. Anyway, as always, thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for spending time with us. And don't forget to check the comments down below for the link for these beautiful boxes for Amazon. And as always, we thank you for spending time with us. Y'all know what we need y'all to do. Put some thumbs up on this video, share us out, and comment down below if you have these or if you have the paper one. These actually are called acrylic boxes. I wanted the hard ones. Leave a comment down below. See you on the next video. Peace.